So for my linear function, I have number 8 as my linear function, and it is, number 8, and it's 0.08y equals x plus 0.55, and I just put the barriers to fit Snoopy's arm length right here, as you can see. And I'll take the image out later, but I'm just going to leave it in so you can see what it's fitting to. And then for my exponential function, which is number 44, with the Snoopy image in. So scroll down to number 44. And number 44 is my exponential function. It's y equals negative 0.6 to the x power plus 8.6, and then the barriers to fit the Snoopy's ear. And then my next function, my quadratic function, is number 14 with the Snoopy in. Number 14 right here. And it is negative 1.2x plus 1.1 squared plus 2.5. And then that's the and I put barriers in to fit it to his neck right here. Then next is my inverse variation function, which is number 41 with Snoopy in. Okay, so it'd be this one, and it's y equals 0.9 over x plus 0.5 plus 5.6. Then I just put the barriers in to fit it to Snoopy's ear, as you can see. Okay, and then my square root function is next, and that is number 10 with the Snoopy in. Okay, now my square root function is y equals x, and y equals the square root of 1x plus 1.69, and then the barriers to fit it to Snoopy's neck and chin line right here. And then next I'm going to show you the reflection over the x-axis by making the y positive or negative. And to that I'm going to take out my Snoopy picture, and I'll talk about that line that I just put in later. Okay, so my number 45, number 44, because with the Snoopy picture in it adds another one to it, but number 44 is the line that I reflected over the x-axis, because it was originally just 2y, and I'll zoom in so you can see. It was originally 2y, and it was up here, but I made it negative to fit the area below his tail down here. Okay, so next I'm going to show you my translating, and it was his nose that I translated. Well, just one of the examples. And then I just changed this number to move it right, you subtract a higher number, and then to move it left, you add a number. And then to move it up or down, to move it up, you subtract a number. And then to move it down, you would add a number. See? And then for my compressing and stretching, this was a line that I compressed and stretched. And I put barriers on it, but this is without the barriers to show you how it compresses and stretches. And it was to fit his belly area. And then all you have to change to compress or stretch was the number before the y right here, and to compress it, you'd use a larger number, and to stretch it, you would use a decimal number or a smaller number to make it stretch. And that is all, I believe.